Designing a fighter jet. As a young boy, my friends and I walked back home from school in Ramaswaram. On the way, we often rested on the banks of our village pond. While my friends practiced skimming pebbles over the rippling water, I would sit and watch the cranes and seagulls soar in the sky. The sight of those birds inspired me, and I dreamed of my future. As I grew older, my goal became clearer. I knew I had to go into engineering to realize my dreams. The Madras Institute of Technology, popularly known as MIT, was the best institution for technical studies in South India. I studied hard to win a scholarship to study at such a well-known college. On the day I entered MIT, I saw my goal standing before me. The MIT campus boasted 2 large aircrafts on display. I remember sitting near them long after other students had gone back to the hostel. I was fascinated by the details of the design and wanted to someday create such an aircraft. For my final project at MIT, I was asked to design a fighter jet with a team of 4 other classmates. We distributed the work among us. One day, my teacher reviewed my progress and exclaimed, "Abdul, I'm really disappointed with your plan. I'd expected much more from you." I offered several excuses, but my teacher refused to listen. "Sir, please give me 1 more month. I'm sure I'll come up with a better design," I pleaded with him. He looked at me and said, "Look, young man, I'll give you 3 days. If on Monday morning you fail to show me a better design, I'm afraid your scholarship will be canceled." I was speechless. The scholarship was my lifeline. Without it, I would be helpless. I had no choice but to keep on working. I remained awake all night working on the project. The next morning, I just took an hour's break, ate very little, and went back to work. On Sunday morning, I had almost completed the task when I suddenly felt a presence behind me. I turned around to discover my teacher peering at my drawing. After examining my work, he patted me on my back and said, "I knew I was putting you under stress by asking you to meet an impossible deadline. I never expected you to perform so well." I had hardly slept or eaten in the past 3 days, but I now felt a huge sense of joy and relief. Not only did I keep my scholarship, I also graduated from MIT with outstanding marks. I had already accomplished my goal of successfully designing an aircraft, and now I was drawing close to my dream of flying one too. It was amazing to think that just like the seagulls I had observed as a child, I would soon soar in the sky.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.